mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih yang tak terhingga kepada semua penderma-penderma, kepada yang telah memberi. Kami berharap semoga anda semua dimurahkan rezeki, sentiasa sihat dan dipermudahkan urusan, tidak kira berbilang bangsa dan agama.
We want to take this opportunity to thank Childline and also YTL and many donors from the public. Truly appreciate what I've done, and we receive things like toys, which is very good for fun learning for children. And also we have help kids.
Saya Jamia Syarif, sebenarnya salah seorang daripada sukarelawan yang membantu Childline Foundation. Saya ingin mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih kepada semua penyumbang-penyumbang. Tanpa anda memang kita tidak dapat membantulah. Tapi yang lagi satu yang kita nak ucapkan penghargaan ialah kepada sukarelawan-sukarelawan yang telah sudi datang membantu kita, bukan sahaja mengumpul, mengangkat barang-barang. Ada yang ikut kita sampai ke negeri ini semasa kita membangkitkan sumbangan-sumbangan tersebut.
We have just completed the Flood Aid 2021 project where we initially we targeted to equip 30 paskas and preschools in Pahang and Terengganu who were affected by the floods. And this funding that has been raised has come to about 45,000, which we met our target. And thank you very much to all the donors, particularly the individual donors, and as well as some of the people who have donated through companies, for example, YTL Foundation, as well as for the online donation, we raised about 23,000. And YTL topped it up with about 13,000. And we also had childcare centres and preschools like Forest of the Stars, who raised about 10,000 on their own from their parents. And we had Pondok Ilmu, which is a childcare centre in Kuching, whose parents donated almost 3,000 to this effort. So thanks to everybody, we've been able to not just equip 30 Taskas and childcare centres to restart the childcare centres for the P40 children that they serve. To many of these people, this is a lifeline because they were already affected by COVID-19, and to many who were considering to close, and without this funding from the public, from the Rakyat, they would have closed. So thank you very much, and we would like to say that not only have we been able, with the money that you've given us, not only have we been able to equip and restart 30 tasks and preschools, we have exceeded that. We are reaching up to about 42 childcare centres and preschools. So this is amazing that this funding came through within a month through the public, donating their hard-earned money. Some as little as $20, but every cent is appreciated. So thank you very much to everyone who has donated to this effort. We were able to equip them with 2 toy boxes, one for infant and toddlers, the other 4 in preschoolers, and on top of that, we were able to give them a hygiene and safety kit that included a first aid kit, which many would not have been able to afford to have one for their husbands. Thank you very much for enabling these childcare centres and preschools to restart and to provide quality childcare and early childcare education to the children that they serve. I think we would have reached out to at least 1,500 children.